La tête, the head. Example, elle a mal à la tête, she has a headache. Le visage, the face. Example, elle lave le visage chaque matin. She washes her face every morning. Les cheveux, the hair. Example, elle a les cheveux longs, she has long hair. Le front, the forehead. Example, il s'est touché le front, he touches his forehead. L'oeil, les yeux, the eyes. Example, les yeux de Marie sont verts, Marie's eyes are green. Le nez, the nose. Example, elle se mouche le nez, she blows her nose. La bouche, the mouth. Example, ouvre la bouche, open your mouth. La dent, les dents, the tooth, teeth. Example, il se brosse les dents, he brushes his teeth. L'oreille, les oreilles, the ear, ears. Example, elle met des boucles d'oreilles sur les oreilles, she puts earrings on her ears. Le cou, the neck. Example, il se frotte le cou, he rubs his neck. L'épaule, les épaules, the shoulder, shoulders. Example, elle a les épaules larges, she has broad shoulders. Le dos, the back. Example, il se repose sur le dos, he rests on his back. Le bras, les bras, the arm, arms. Example, elle lève le bras pour répondre, she raises her arm to answer. La main, les mains, the hand, hands. Example, donnez-moi la main, give me your hand. Le coude, the elbow. Example, il pose le coude sur la table, he puts his elbow on the table. Le poignet, the wrist. Example, elle a un bracelet autour de le poignet, she has a bracelet around her wrist. Le doigt, les doigts, the finger, fingers. Example, elle compte avec les doigts, she counts with her fingers. Le ventre, the stomach or belly. Example, elle a mal au ventre, she has a stomach ache. La jambe, les jambes, the leg, legs. Example, il croise les jambes, he crosses his legs. Le genou, les genoux, the knee, knees. Example, il s'agenouille sur les genoux, he kneels on his knees. Le pied, les pieds, the foot, feet. Example, elle marche avec les pieds nus, she walks barefoot. La cheville, the ankle. Example, elle s'est foule la cheville, she twisted her ankle. L'orteil, les orteils, the toes. Example, il se coupe les ongles des orteils, he clips his toenails. These examples illustrate common uses with definite articles in French.